are you and what do you want from me?
Bye.
I'm not sure if I want to do a voiceover or like talk to you guys. It's been long since I did like a video, a hair tutorial, and I'm like talking to you guys, you know, without doing a voiceover. So I think this time around I'm gonna do I'm gonna be talking to you guys as I do the hairstyle. So first things first, we're gonna be using the Eco Styler olive oil styling gel. It says it's for all hair types, and it moisturizes hair and scalp, and it tames frizz, and it doesn't flake, no tag, and it's anti-itch. So let us see. So what I'm gonna be doing first is I'm gonna be parting my hair. I'm just gonna part it in 4 sections, and then I'm gonna work with that. So the partings do not have to be perfect, because it's not like we are going somewhere with the partings, you know. So I'm gonna be using these hair ties that I got from Shein. Also guys, I'm waiting for my Shein package to arrive. I placed an order on the 28th of May, and just a few days after that, I think it was on the 31st of May, sorry, 31st of May, I got an email from Buffalo Logistics saying that I should pay customs, and I already did that. So I think my package should be here anytime from now. I don't know, but yeah, my package should be here any day from now. I don't know why I'm talking about Shein on a hair video, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm expecting a package. So you guys should also expect a try on haul, right? Yeah, you guys should expect a try on haul. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. I've never done a wash and go hairstyle, so now it's time for the gel. I'm going to take the Eco Styling gel and just scoop some. I think I'm gonna do it to my cupboard. So what I do is you just take a small bit of hair and apply the gel. Unfortunately I cannot turn around so that you guys can see, like I cannot give you guys a 360 because the chair that I'm sitting on doesn't allow me to do that. But basically this is what I do. The sun is gonna be my enemy today, but I'm not even using a ring light, you see. So while we are doing it, you also like separate the hair to give you something like that. I'm not sure if that is right. So a wash and go is like a hairstyle for natural hair where you like define your curls, right? I feel like I'm putting too much gel, but my hair needs it because, as I said, it hasn't been blown out in a while. Okay, so I'm done with the first section and this is how it's looking. I feel like it needs more gel, so do you see that? Do you see that? Stiff wear, baby. So I'm also, so right now I'm just gonna do the same on this part and I'll be back to do the front.
Oh,
I mean, I'm shooting a video, of course I need you matter, not this much. I mean, and it's too late to change the setting right now. Oh my gosh, I think I should move forward a bit, right? Oh my god. Where everything is falling. What is wrong? Jehovah, if I don't fall today, I don't know. I'm never gonna fall in my life. Cause right now everything of mine is falling. So this is how far I've come already, and my gel is almost finished. Ooh, one thing about this hairstyle, it'll eat up all your gel. Look, this is what is left, and I'm praying that it finishes this part. Because wow, and the front is the part that needs a lot of gel. So guys, oh my gosh, My hair is shedding like crazy. But yeah, and I don't know why I started recording at this time of the day, because I'm late. I mean, the sun is going and I still need to record that reel. Okay, we managed, but then now it's time to style this hair, and I have no idea how I'm going to style it. But guys, this is like a wash and go. Like, do you understand? Okay, I think I'm gonna put like bobby pins or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna put bobby pins somewhere. It's already. I'm gonna put bobby pins over here. I'm not sure. Okay, you know what, let me just go off camera and style this hair and I'll be back. Okay, so so I've decided to style this hair like this, which I'm not sure how I feel about it, because I'm not really a fan of side partings, but I feel like I look so cute or whatever. Man, I never thought my hair is capable of doing something like this. I look so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss and I will be back. I don't know where my lip gloss is. Okay, here it is. Ooh, child, I look so cute. I look so cute or whatever. Look at that. Look at that. Who are you and what do you want from me? Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so amazing. Oh, child. Ugh. And I thought like the curls would be like the komana, and there's nothing like that. Look at this. Look at this. It's giving volume. It's giving defined curls. It's giving, man. It's giving whatever. So one thing about this hairstyle is that your hair is going to shrink, but there is a way of stretching your hair, which is by, I saw this on, who is it, Shay Mauve, I think that's her name, on YouTube. And what she does is that she takes her hair, she does what they call, what is it, the banding method. That is what she does. It's like you take you section your hair and you take hair ties and you just wrap your hair around with hair ties. You can use like 3 or 4 depending on your hair length, but I'm not gonna do that because, child, I'm about to record a video. So I think I'm gonna do it. If I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna do it like later on in the day, when I'm about to sleep. But I don't think I will Well, I think I will, because tomorrow I'm going to work and I wanna rock this hair. I want to rock this hair to work. But yeah guys, this is so beautiful. It was my first time, my first try, first attempt whatsoever, and I think I did a great job. What do you guys think? I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys like 360 of this hairstyle. So here's the side, and then, oh child, I don't know, like, do you guys see? Okay, I feel like you guys saw what you could see. Guys, it's giving, it's giving. Okay, so let me just record the video and I will see you guys later. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe, and tell your family to subscribe, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye. My hands are red. Looks like I just killed someone.